This tutorial will show you how to make a link to internal content in Canvas. So what do I mean by internal content? Pages like the home page or overview pages, assignments, quizzes, and discussions are all internal content. Files such as PDFs, Office documents, or images that you have uploaded into the course files are also internal content. The process of linking to internal content is different from creating external links. If you did try to make links to internal resources like you would external links, they would work for the current semester's course site, but in future copies of the course, they will try to link to the previous course's pages. Since most students are most likely not enrolled in the previous instance of the course, they would not be able to access the content and will see the Access Denied page. This way of making internal links ensures that your links will be future-proof. To begin, let's go to the content we want to edit. At the top right corner, click on the Edit button. In the Rich Content Editor field, place your cursor where you want the link to appear. Now select the arrow next to the Chain Link button in the toolbar and select Course Links. On the right side, a vertical menu will appear. This lists all the categories of internal links you can make. If we want to link to an assignment, we can go to the Assignment drop-down menu, find the assignment we want to link, and click on it. The link with the exact name of the assignment will then appear in the Rich Content Editor. The same steps apply if there's a page, discussion, or quiz you want to add. You can make the same links with announcements, but those get removed every semester when the course is copied over. We recommend against linking those into more permanent features of the course, like the syllabus or overview pages. As always, when editing content, remember to click on the blue Save button at the bottom to complete your changes to your content. Please check out our faculty resource site for more tutorials as well as information on how to reach out to ATD with any questions or assistance needs you may have. Thanks for watching.